Hello and hi everyone. Today I would like to present the paper titled Getting the Ball Rolling, a research on physical working environment towards employee job performance in Malaysia. My name is Nurul Aisyah Awanis binti Rahim. We represent my other teams members names, which is Professor Maria Dr. Khatijah binti Omar, Dr. Azrin Zuraini binti Ahmad, Dr. Najidah binti Abdul Aziz, Dr. Siti Nur Ain Muhammad, and Dr. Suhaili binti Arifin. For introduction, employee performance is very crucial to ensure Malaysia can levitate and maintain on the same par with other developing countries in terms of productivity. This requires effort in the form of holistic approach through greater collaboration and integration between both employees and employer. The phenomenon of increasing the capital investment on improving the quality of labor in every structure planning for the future indicated that the country has started to give more priority to productivity. This demonstrates that, in addition to concentrating on increasing organizational performance, personal performance must also be improved in order for Malaysia to catch up to other industrialized countries. Hence, the researcher is concerned about these issues and has chosen to investigate and debate employee work performance more, since it would influence the objective of obtaining Malaysian status as developed country. The dependent variable for this study is job performance. Job performance definition in this study is an outcome from action that employees perform in order to complete their tasks. The performance also has many factors that regulate either increase or decrease the performance. For example, work experience. Other than said factors, the most attractive factor that attract the researcher attention is working environment. There are various past studies that investigate about this matter. Some of it support and some of it against the statement that working environment has significant effect on employee performance. The working environment that has been discussed in this study refer to interrelation that exists within the employees and the environment in which they work in. The environment involves the physical location, office layout and design, noise, and the impression of their work surrounding. The subdimension of work environment for this study is distraction in work environment, the control over the work environment, and the satisfaction of the workers over the work environment. This study is designed to use a quantitative approach where 151 respondents have answered the survey given by the researcher at their workplace. So the sample of this study comprised employees from 4 sections in Malaysia, namely manufacturing, education, health and hospitality, using a random sampling technique. The employee has been asked about their perception towards control, distraction, and satisfaction over working environment, and the effect of all these towards employee performance. For result and discussion, in terms of normality test, the value significant of unstandardized residual exceeds 0.5, which show that the data in this study has been normally distributed. As shown in the table, this study also passed the reliability test, which can be seen that combustion alpha categorized as acceptable if the alpha value is above 0.7, and good at 0.8 and very good at 0.9. And as can be seen in the table, all of the variable is above 0.7. Hence, this study is reliable. So we move to the regression analysis. So this is the result of regression analysis, which is reflect that working environment could explain the impact on employee performance by 32.1%, which means that there are 67.9% explained by other variables. Therefore, the study found that the distraction in working environment, control and satisfaction of working environment had a significant influence on employee performance. Therefore, as the conclusion, the study has successfully investigated the factor in working environments that will affect employee performance. There are several studies on the other factors that influence employee performance, but the importance of conducive working environment to employee is important and need to be supported by the employer to make sure all the employees are in good condition while completing their tasks. So thank you everyone for listening to my presentation.